Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. These are the materials needed for this project. Firstly, we place our hairband and foam. Then we'll try to wrap the hairband with the foam using our gum. You can use any gum of your choice at this point. You can use any gum of your choice. To first of all fold the foam, then you place it on the hairband. You trim to the size of it. Watch and learn. You fold the foam because it's wide. You fold it after applying your gum. You can use any gum, either your glue gum, your candle gum. I could have been using candle gum, but there is no light at the moment. There is no power supply at the moment, so that's why I'm using my B6000, my B7000 or 6000, anyone depending on what you have. So after folding the foam like so, you apply your gum on your. We'll be wrapping it this way. We'll be wrapping the hairband this way. So apply the gum generously. You apply it generously on the hairband. Then you place your foam. Make sure it's sitting well, it's covering the hairband properly. Just allow it to dry and hold again. 8 inches. This is elastic. Make sure it's well glued. Okay. Trim out the excess so that it will be the same shape with the Alice band, the same size and shape. Here we have it. So the next thing is to bring our material for wrapping. This material measures 2.5 inches. This is 2.5 inches. 2.5 inches by 60, by the length 60. Although if you observe, I joined mine because it wasn't that long, so I have to join it to get my 60 inches. Okay, yeah, we even have 60 something. This is more than 60. This should be around 63 or 4. This 63 inches. Elastic before I wrap. You apply your gum. So now we'll bring this material, we'll fold it in two. I'm coming. The food is almost done. If it has done, I'm coming. I think it's still video. Are you seeing what I'm doing in the phone? Hairband is ready. Okay guys, this is the material we'll be using for the rose. Yes, the material we'll be using to form our rose, and this one I'm showing now is the material that remained out of the one we used for wrapping. Yes. Then the measurement for this is 6 inches by 53 inches. Then you start pleating like so. But then before you pleat, you'd want to fold it together depending on how you want your rows. Like I pleated without folding earlier, but I later saw that it was too big other than the way I want it, so I later folded it into two before I make my running stitches to form my rows. That's just the thing there. It's not that difficult. Yes, even if you're using satin, let's say you want a bigger rose, you're making use of satin, you can measure up to 11 inches by 60 or 55-50 depending on what you have. So for this one it's 56 by it's 56 by 6 inches. Yes, that's what I used, and that was what gave us that rose you saw on the thumbnail. So guys, watch and learn. Let's just pleat. On this video you just see me pleating it that way, but I later folded it into two. That was what gave me the rose on the thumbnail. Yeah. So guys, please, if you aren't subscribed to this channel yet, please do well to subscribe, support your girl by liking and sharing this video so that others can be able to see it and we'll grow this channel together. Thank you. Please don't forget to click on the subscribe button and the notification bell icon there so that whenever we post new videos, you'll be the first to see it. Thank you. Keep watching.